Good morning, y'all. Welcome to Cindy's RV Kitchen. Today we are going to be making jambalaya, and we've made this a couple of times and it's turned out really good. I was really surprised at how great it worked. So it's a pretty simple recipe. The most time you're going to spend is chopping things up, as you can see, and all the recipe will be in the description of the video. And if you could hit that like and subscribe button, we really appreciate it. It really helps us out. Okay, let's get started. All right, we're going to go with 2 chicken breasts, and they're cubed. They're just cut in little cubes, and it's going to go in the pot. And then next we're going to put in, it's called Andouille sausage. It's like a Cajun sausage, so it has spice in it, and it's really delicious. So we're going to add that in as well. Next, whoops, one sneaker. He didn't want to go in. 1 large yellow onion, chopped. See how easy this is? My favorite thing, easy and yummy. Then we are going to have 1 large red bell pepper, diced fine. And the last little veggie is 2 stalks of celery, sliced thin. So that's going in. Okay, so we're going to take 2 cups of chicken broth and pour that in there. I could have had this ready too, but I didn't. So in goes 1 and 2. Okay. Next, we will add, it's 48 ounces of diced tomatoes. I didn't get the larger can, I got 2 of the smaller cans, so we'll put those both in there. And 1 tablespoon of Hunt's tomato paste. Okay. And then the spices are cayenne pepper, and that's about a half a teaspoon. I'll measure it out a little bit. I don't usually measure much. I just go for it. But spicy things, kinda, you know, because you don't want it too spicy. So, a cayenne in there, and then a tablespoon of Cajun seasoning, and I like to get the Slap Ya Mama. So it's really flavorful, and it's spicy too, so that's another spice that's going in there. It's kind of a spicy dish, but boy, is it fantastic. And then the last 2 are thyme and oregano. So thyme is half a teaspoon. And then the oregano is 1 teaspoon. Then I'm just going to stir this around a little bit just to get it mixed up a little bit. And then we're going to let it cook on low for 7 hours. And there's also shrimp that's going to go in here, and rice, long grain rice, and we'll get to that later. And that's it for now, but we would like for you to join us in just a bit and we'll finish this off. Okay, so it's about an hour before our jambalaya will be done, so we're going to add long grain white rice, a cup of it, to the mix in there, and we'll stir that up and let it cook for an hour, and then we'll get back to the shrimp in about 45 minutes. So just uncooked rice. I made a mess. I'll just pour that in. We'll give it a stir. And it's going to cook for an hour and then our meal will be done, but we will be adding the shrimp in about 45 minutes. Oh, our house smells so good right now. Oh, yum. Okay, all right, that's in. So that phase is done and we'll be right back with the next one. So the last phase of our jambalaya is the shrimp. Now use raw, deveined, tails off shrimp. And we're going to put that in. We'll stir it up. There we go. And in about 15 minutes, our meal will be complete. And we like to have it with the Hawaiian rolls because we like to sop up the goodness of all that juice. We don't want to waste any of it. So we'll return in about 15 minutes and we'll serve it up and give it a taste. Okay, y'all, so we're in our last phase of the jambalaya. The shrimp is all done in there and we're going to serve it up. And look at that. That's nice. Okay. And let's just give this a little taste. I put one over here to cool off just a little bit. So good. Happy dinner to us. Thank you for watching.